Best Switchblade Gunsmith. Switchblade, one of the best SMG in Call of Duty Mobile, and here are the two best gunsmith for it. So without wasting time, let's start. Well, in Call of Duty Mobile, so many players who like to rush in response. So if you want to do rush with Switchblade, here is this beast for you. This gunsmith is fast and provide better accuracy with better mid-range. But if you gonna use this in S&D, then don't go with it. It will definitely better for response, but in S&D we need to be most of the time silent. So don't use it, as it not have silence. You will be highlight on a map and it will be challenging for you to take range fights. Anyway, here is a gunsmith which is not fast as previous, but you can say it is an all-rounder. You can use it is in S&D as well as in response. It will be provide you better range, accuracy, control, and it is silence. These two are the best gunsmith for Switchblade. Don't be confused in both. If you play Call of Duty for fun, so go with this one. And if you serious rank grinder or you are a competitive player, so definitely go with this. If you want to see gameplay of both build, how these gunsmith deal in long range as well as in short range, go ahead. Goodbye, and I will see you in the next video. Over and out.
In the city and I'm lurking 63rd. If the brother's on the L, then I think you know the word. All the racks be in the luggage and it's going to a turf. Everybody in the area ain't messing with the herd. Always wanna talk, but you never want the smoke. If you flashing all the guns on your live, you a joke. Can't be posting up with bodies when you never ever roll. I'll be pressed to find a shooter who be lacking in the soul. on the L, then I think you know the word. All the racks be in the luggage and it's going to our turf. Everybody in the area ain't messing with the herd. Always wanna talk, but you never want the smoke. If you flashing all the guns on your live, you a joke. Can't be posting up with bodies when you never ever roll. I'll be pressed to find a shooter who be lacking in the soul.